By the end of this video, you will know how to record debit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and go to the left side of the screen. Click the plus Create button to open the transaction menu. From the list of available forms, select Expense. This opens a new expense entry screen where you will record the debit card purchase using the details from your transaction or receipt. At the top of the expense form, start with the payment details. Choose the payee from the drop-down menu. This should be the vendor or business that received the payment. If the payee is already in your records, select it from the list. If not, use the closest available option in your file based on your existing setup. Next, select the payment account that is linked to your debit card. Make sure this is the correct bank or card account before continuing, since this is the account QuickBooks will use to track the money going out. After that, enter the payment date. Use the actual date the debit card transaction took place so your books stay aligned with your bank activity. If your QuickBooks Online form includes a payment method field, open it and select Debit Card. Some company files may show this field differently, so if it is available, choose the debit card option there. Once the payment section is complete, move down to the Expense Details area. In the Category field, select the appropriate expense category for the purchase. This is how QuickBooks classifies the transaction in your records. So choose the category that matches the type of expense, then enter the amount exactly as it appears on the transaction. If needed, add a description to clarify what the purchase was for. You can also assign the transaction to a customer or project if that applies to the expense you are entering. There is also space for additional information if you want to include it. Enter a reference number if you have one and want to keep it with the transaction. This could be a receipt number or another identifier that helps you locate the payment later. If you have a receipt available, attach it directly to the expense form. Adding the document here keeps the supporting record connected to the transaction inside QuickBooks Online. Before saving, review the full form one more time. Check the payment account, date, category, amount, and any extra details you added. This is the point to correct anything that does not match the original transaction. When everything looks accurate, click Save and close to record the expense and return to your workspace. Your debit card transaction is now recorded in QuickBooks Online as an expense.